BlackBox AI versus Cursor. Which AI code assistant is better? So, what is BlackBox AI? BlackBox AI is a versatile AI coding assistant that supports real time code generation, debugging, multi language support, and integration across IDEs like VS Code and Jupyter Notebook. It also offers features like voice to code, snippet search, and documentation assistance. Cursor is an AI powered IDE, a customized fork of VS Code, designed for deep code based understanding. It provides context aware autocomplete, smart rewrites, multi file refactoring, code based indexing, natural language based code edits, and built in agents for multi step automation. And now for the feature comparisons. For BlackBox AI, its IDE integration includes VS Code, JetBrains, Jupyter, and Sublime Text. For Cursor, it's VS Code fork with full support for extension themes. In terms of autocomplete and suggestions, BlackBox AI has real-time autocomplete multi-language support. Cursor has predictive autocomplete with project context and smart suggestions. BlackBox AI has bug spotting and suggestions, and Cursor has real-time error detection and fixes, plus GitHub PR tool BugBot. In terms of code-based understanding, BlackBox has strong snippet search and context awareness. For Cursor, it has full project indexing for smart refactoring and multi-file edits. BlackBox's unique feature includes voice-to-code and design-to-code conversion. Cursor has natural language editing, commit message generation, and custom agents. Now for the pros and cons. For BlackBox AI, its pros included supporting numerous languages and environments. It has voice-to-code, code search, and snippet generation enhance productivity. Its real-time suggestions work across IDEs. However, its premium features require subscription. It needs reliable internet connectivity, and some users report occasionally inaccuracy with complex code. For Cursor, its pros included having a deep code-based understanding that enables safe multi-edit files. Its agent tool allows natural language automation and workflow execution. It has error detection with BugBot enhances and reliability, and a strong developer praise for speed and workflow integration. However, some versions have bugs that affect code integrity. One user noted it deletes valid code, and occasional reliability issues post-update. So what do developers say? BlackBox AI excels at finding relevant code snippets and bug fixing. Overall, more useful for debugging and context-specific tasks. BlackBox AI for speed in hackathons, and Cursor for deep IDE integration and demands. So which one is better? Opt for BlackBox AI if you need fast language agnostic coding help, snippet generation, and voice-enabled workflows. Choose Cursor if your priority is deep code understanding, context-aware multi-file assistance, robust debugging with BugBot, and powerful IDE integration. Best of both worlds, a combination could suit many developers, leveraging Blackbox for quick boilerplate or snippet tasks, and use Cursor when working with complex databases requiring deep context and safe multi-file edits. So which software are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons, and see you in the next video.